before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? Before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? Before the heaven and the earth come to existence. What am I? Practice meditation. We ask questions and maintain down. Maintain down all the time. Even we thinking, we talking, we acting something, we still practice meditation. They maintain down. How to do like that? We just raising doubt to ask the question. The pain of life and death. We always remember life and death, and we maintain down. The Patra also give explanation that doubt means the pain of life and death. Life and death mean that the doubt. Maintain doubt means maintain the sick, the pain of life and death. So we follow our practice, don't lose our self nature. We doing anything, just like follow the self nature. Don't follow the ignorant. Don't follow the self attachment. Follow the self nature. Self nature means non-dualism. Self nature means don't have the thing to gain, they have the thing to see, things to fear. So follow the self nature like that. Just the way will attain the target that the doubt. Now, mean follow self nature. Just practice.